top 3 reasons why students don't get AL1 in PSLE Math and how to fix it. Hey everyone. Every year we hear the same thing. The PSLE Math paper is so tough. Students walk out looking defeated, parents get stressed, and everyone starts wondering, is the paper really that difficult? Or is it actually a fair test of how well students understand math? Let's take a closer look. In my opinion, a fair paper should have a good mix of easy, moderate, and challenging questions. And according to MOE, those killer questions, the ones that make everyone panic, make up only about 15% of the paper. So if that's the case, why do so many students still struggle to get AL1? Here are the top 3 reasons. Reason number 1, panic mode. Good students often want to solve every question, but the moment they hit one that seems impossible, panic sets in. And when you panic, your brain just freezes. It's like when adults are stressed, we can't think straight either. So instead of moving on and coming back later, students waste too much time stuck on that one question. That's when the pressure starts building up. That brings us to reason number 2, poor time management. Some students spend so much time trying to solve one tough question that they run out of time for the rest. And after the exam, you'll hear, I knew how to do the questions, but I didn't have enough time. It's not that they didn't know their math, it's that they didn't manage their time properly. And if those challenging questions appear early in the paper, that's even worse. They panic early, spend too long, and lose marks they could have easily secured. Reason number 3, careless mistakes. When time runs short, students start rushing. And that's when the small errors creep in, copying numbers wrongly, skipping steps. And because there's no time left to check, they lose marks on questions they could have nailed. So even top students who normally score well might drop to AL2 or lower because of these slip-ups. Now, if you think about it, all 3 reasons are connected. They panic over tough questions. They spend too much time on them. Then they rush and make careless mistakes. It's a vicious cycle that starts with just 15% of the paper, those challenging questions. But here's the good news. MOE is changing the format of the math paper for P5 and P6. They're removing 2 word problems from paper 2 and shifting 5 marks over to paper 1. That means slightly less time spent on long problem sums and more weight on quicker questions. It's not a huge change, but it'll definitely help reduce some exam stress. Still, students need to be prepared for those tough 15%. The key is to stay calm, manage time wisely, and check work effectively. So, the PSLE math paper isn't impossible. It's all about strategy and mindset. With good time management, calm focus, and smart exam habits, scoring AL1 is absolutely achievable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PSLE math tips. Let's help our kids tackle exams with confidence.